Hello, kids! Welcome back to our fun and educational channel. Today, we are going on an exciting animal adventure, where we'll learn the names of some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let us go! Our first animal friend is the deer. Look at those majestic antlers on its head. Deer are graceful and gentle creatures. They love to roam in the forests and grasslands, nibbling on leaves and berries. Now, let us practice saying deer together. Deer. Next up, we have the ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They are fast runners and can't fly, but they have powerful legs that help them run super fast. Now, let us all say ostrich together. Ostrich. Here comes the cunning and clever fox. Foxes are known for their intelligence and beautiful bushy tails. They are excellent hunters and have a keen sense of smell. Say it with me, fox. Fox. Now, we have the magnificent wolf. Wolves are social animals that live in packs. They are strong and work together to hunt their prey. Let us all say wolf together. Wolf. Wolf. Look who is hopping in. It's the adorable rabbit. Rabbits are soft and fluffy, and they love munching on carrots. Now, repeat after me, rabbit. Rabbit. Say hello to the hard-working donkey. Donkeys are strong and can carry heavy loads. They are also very friendly and love being around people. Let us all say donkey together. Donkey. Donkey. Now, we have the playful goat. Goats are excellent climbers and can even balance on tiny ledges. They also give us delicious milk. Say it loud, goat. Goat. Here comes the fluffy sheep. Sheep are gentle and kind animals. They provide us with warm wool that we can use to make clothes. Now, let us say sheep together. Sheep. Kids in unison, sheep. Last but not least, we have the adorable panda. Pandas are cuddly and eat lots of bamboo. They are also an endangered species, so we need to protect them. Say it one more time, panda. Kids in unison, panda. Well done, kids. You did a fantastic job learning the names of these amazing animals. Remember to be kind to animals and always treat them with love and respect. We'll be back soon with more fun adventures and learning. See you next time.